Today we have goat, something that is traditionally used locally. We curry goat, we stew goat, we roast goat. But today I'm going to show you all how I do my stew goat meat. Now this goat has been washed in lime juice and water and rinsed from before, and we're going to season it with our local seasoning first. We're going to start with pimentos, 3 tablespoons, garlic, 3 tablespoons, Chadon beni, 3 tablespoons, onion, 2 tablespoons, thyme, 2 tablespoons, chive, 3 tablespoons, ginger, 1 tablespoon, mustard, 1 tablespoon, bay leaf, 1 leaf, clove, 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, and black pepper, 2 tablespoons. We're going to use our hands to get a little messy and mix. Alright, we allow our goat to marinate for at least 4 hours, or you could do it from the day before and allow it to marinate overnight before we use. Right, now that our goat has marinated, we're going to stew. We're going to start by using 4 ounces of vegetable oil. Make sure the pot is hot before you add the oil. Not burning hot, but it's hot enough. We're going to add the 4 ounces of brown sugar. Allow the sugar to caramelize till a little, not black, but golden brown, a little darker than golden brown before we add seasoned goat. You're going to continue to stir the sugar and oil so that it browns evenly. Right, as soon as you start to see the color changes from light brown moving over to the darker brown, we want to add the seasoned goat. Give a stir. We cover and allow the goat to spring its own liquid for about 10 minutes, and then we come back. Right, now that the goat would have spring its own liquid, we're going to add just a little bit of water to cover the surface of the goat, and then we're going to lower the heat and allow it to cook for about 45 minutes, and then we come back and check for doneness.